Yes, KJ, happy birthday, mahal ko. Wish ko sa'yo na sana God will always keep you safe, healthy, at sana kahit sometimes may problema tayo, we keep ourselves away from stress at maging happy lang tayo. Let's keep going and always have faith, which I know you always have. At salamat for being a part of my agency. At salamat sa paglaban na kahit minsan mahirap. Salamat for staying, of course. Salamat sa pagiging open-minded in everything kasi we all are facing agency's problem, but we still keep going and we always choose to be understanding, open-minded, which is I'm really thankful for. So maraming salamat, my love, for being always there for me, respect me, adores me, and I can really always feel your love. Kayo, Team Amihan. So maraming salamat and happy birthday. God bless you more and God bless your team. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mother Jane. More birthdays po to come. And God bless you always and your family. Happy birthday and happy
Hello, Mother Jen! Happy birthday! Sana mas masaya ka sa araw na to dahil birthday mo. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health always at sana more happiness at sana yung samahan natin ay still growing and happiest ever. Happy New Year, Mentor! God bless!
Ayan, good evening guys. Pinapaabot ko ang aking taus-pusong pagbati kay Simple ka Jenny sa kanyang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Simple ka Jenny. Ayan, more blessings to come and be happy always. Thank you.
Hello po, Mentor. Happy New Year and happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo ay good health and more birthdays to come po. And stay healthy po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Thank you so much po. Happy birthday po ulit.